What's that dinosaur?
What?
What's that dinosaur? Dude, what's that dinosaur?
What dinosaur?
The only fucking purple dinosaur.
Fucking,
Oh, no, we're about to be kicked.
I don't know what any dinosaurs are.
Yo, what's his name?
Bro, Barney?
Barney.
Barney.
What's our rip to Barney?
Is that what you're naming your bike, Barney?
Yeah, it's fucking Barney. It's first called it Barney. This is my 2017 bike check V2.
Just send it. Bro, it's only like 6 feet, you'll be good.
I really don't want to do that.
Just send it.
I'm a baby.
Wow, will you do it from there?
Ow! A branch caught me.
That's okay.
Let's get to it, boys. Alright, so this is my 2017 bike check. Starting up top, I got the Trans Purple Stranger Quan grips. I've been riding for about a day and they're holding up really good. So good job of making good grips, Stranger.
David rips grips in a day if you think that's ridiculous.
Yeah. Alright, I got some Stranger LZ bars. They're 9.2 rise and about 27 3/4 wide with bar ends. I have a Colony squareback stem, best stem on the market. Go and get yourself one of these. They're fire. They look so good. Lucas just got one. I got like the cutouts on them. So we got right here, Animal Street Fork for street as heck riders. It's really tall.
But I gotta get this shot. This thing is sick.
15 millimeter offset or whatever it's called. I don't know what that means really, but that's what it is. Here's the fork bolt, fat and wide. Got a sewer lid like Ninja Turtles, you know, street. We got right here, this thing right here. See this? It's called fine machinery. See these gussets? That can hold up to anything. This is just the 2017 We the People Battleship frame. It's not anybody's signature model, like colorway. It's just trans purple and it looks sick, so I bought it. I like it. If you don't really care because it looks fire. Right here, going to the sprocket guard, we got the Stranger LZ. No, not LZ.
Stranger something.
Just Stranger guard. Oh, we got some grease in there. Yeah.
Minor.
All right. We got some United cranks. Yep. Some Odyssey Pro twisted pedals. We have a Shadow Interlock V2 half-link chain, really strong. Recommend getting one of these. They're a little more expensive, but they'll last you a lifetime pretty much. Seat. We got just a stock, normal fit pivotal seat, black. And then going around back, we have some purple Thermalite pegs in back and front. And I have a Shadow, I want to say Raptor cassette. Yeah, Shadow Raptor cassette. That thing's good. I like the noise of it. It's not too loud, but it works. And then we have just a Colt rim laced to some spokes. Don't know what kind of spokes they are. And then we got polished nipples on them. And then we got those silver AA dicey dice. And then we have some Odyssey Ross 2 tires. I like these tires. They're pretty solid. They last quite a while. I've been riding them for about, I want to say 6 months, and they're holding up really well. Coming back around front, we have the Shadow Symbol front hub. I laced this one up myself, and that one. This is laced to Alienation 440 front back rim to the front. It's a double wall because I like back rims because they seem stronger. So I put a back rim up front for more strength. Then we got the chrome dice up front again, and then just some normal spokes. All around
the headset.
Oh yeah, we got that Stevie Churchill Primo headset. That's a good headset. I like the cap, it's nice and big. Pretty sure that's it.
I think that's it.
All around, it's about 24, 26 pounds, I'd say. It's really dialed.
You're right. It's lighter than that.
I don't know. It's good though.
It's
It works.
good, though.
It hits the streets. Okay, so we're gonna put in some clips that I got on this yesterday into this video right at the end of this when I'm done talking. And then we're gonna be filming Lucas's bike check today because he got a pretty sick new setup. Yeah, if you like the video, leave a like, comment something if you want to, and subscribe for more videos. And I think we're doing some riding tonight, so that'll be up in like 2 or 3 days.
And sorry we missed a day uploading, but
Yeah.
here are the clips.